How to sell Bitcoin on blockchain.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell Bitcoin on blockchain.com account. Now you can do so on your application as well, but unfortunately I'm unable to show you here due to the screen recording issue. So I'll just be showing you via the web browser. You can log into your wallet via web browser, right? On your Chrome or any other web browser, you want to head into blockchain.com on web. So once there, you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find the trade option here at the top. You can see trade, so you can simply tap on the trade option. Once you do so, you'll get the option to buy, sell, swap, deposit, and withdraw. Since you want to sell, you want to simply tap on sell. Once you tap on sell, it'll ask you to choose a crypto. You want to choose the Bitcoin, and once you do so there, you want to select the amount and such, and go ahead to the prompts, and you're good to go. So this way you can sell Bitcoin on blockchain.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.